In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Instagram profile. Whether you're looking to refresh your online presence or make your profile stand out, these straightforward steps will guide you through the process. Let's dive right in. To start, open your preferred web browser or the Instagram app on your mobile device and navigate to Instagram. Ensure you're logged in so you can access your profile and make the necessary changes. Once you're on the Instagram homepage, direct your attention to the bottom right corner where you'll see a small icon of a person or your profile picture, depending on your app version. Clicking this will take you to your profile page, which is your personal hub on Instagram. Once you're on your profile, look for the Edit Profile button. It's typically located near the top of your screen, right next to your username. Clicking Edit Profile will open up a new screen filled with options to personalize your account. One of the first things you might want to change is your profile photo. It's the first impression people get when they visit your profile, so make it count. Tap on your current photo, and you'll be prompted to either take a new picture or upload one from your device. Choose a clear, high-quality image that represents who you are or what your brand is about. Next, let's move on to your bio. This section is your opportunity to tell visitors a little about yourself in a concise format. You only have 150 characters, so be creative and informative. Think about what you want people to know about you or your brand. Perhaps add a catchy phrase, your professional title, or a fun fact that makes you memorable. Remember, this is also a space where you can include a link to your website or any other important page you want your followers to visit. Make sure the link is correct and working properly. After you've updated your bio, take a moment to review other sections such as your username, website, and any contact information you might have shared. Ensure that everything is up to date and accurately reflects your current status or business details. Finally, once you're satisfied with all the changes, don't forget to save your updates. Look for the Done or Save button, which will apply your new settings to your profile. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you've successfully customized your Instagram profile to better reflect your personality or brand. Take a moment to preview your profile and see how the changes look. Remember, your profile is a dynamic space. Feel free to update it regularly to keep it fresh and engaging. Thanks for watching, and happy Instagramming!